Hello, this is Lucas here at MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks. Today I'm showing you the 2025 Sunliner 230 from Harris. This is going to have the black stripe, nice gray siding with the matching gray rub rails. This is going to be the center walk-through. As you can see, it still has the safety chains in the back for your bumpers. The new ladder system. Of course, this one is paired with the 250 Mercury engine. Walking up here on the boat here, Clarion audio. As you can see, why it's the center walk-through. Plenty of seating. Still utilizing the phone chargers and the cup holders. This is your dual helm, you and your co-captain. Paired with a nice Simrad screen here at the helm. Again, a phone charger built into the helm as well. Plenty of storage. Massive in-tune storage. Plenty of seating up here. Again, with the integrated phone chargers. Nice stitch pattern into the seat there for you. A good view back at your captain's chairs and co-captain's chairs. Walking all the way through the middle here on the center walk-through. Again, this is the Harris Sunliner 230. It is located here at MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks. Ask for Lucas.